Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with HomeLight, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with HomeLight, start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type HomeLight and press enter. Click on the official HomeLight website link. Once the home page loads, locate the Get Started button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the process. You will be prompted to enter your basic information. Fill in your first and last name. Next, provide your email address. After that, enter your phone number. Make sure to double-check your information for any typos. Once you've entered your details, click on the Continue button. You will receive a prompt to answer a few questions about your home. Answer the questions honestly to help tailor the experience for you. After completing the questionnaire, review your responses. Make any necessary changes before proceeding. Once satisfied, click the Submit button. Shortly after, you'll receive a confirmation email from HomeLight. Open the email and follow the instructions provided to verify your account. Once verified, log into your HomeLight account using your email and password. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. To connect with a real estate agent, navigate to the Find an Agent section. Select your preferred criteria, such as location and agent type. Browse through the list of recommended agents. Click on an agent's profile for more details. If you wish to connect with an agent, click the Connect or Schedule button. Fill out any additional required information to finalize the connection. Congratulations, you are now connected with HomeLight. Feel free to explore more features or reach out to customer support for any questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.